CNC stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Centene Corporation with a $33 level. Honestly speaking, man, I'm open-minded to taking it further higher, buying all that good jazz, but I'm just going to be realistic and tell you right now, like straight up, that this is not a thing that I'm looking to buy. Even though we corrected hard, you know, and now we're sitting at $33, the likelihood that we keep melting is very, very likely to happen. And therefore, like, I'm not just saying that just to say, you know, and just be bearish on this. No, I'm trying to be realistic here. And if there is a double break, I'm definitely willing to take it further on. This is so awful. So to make it make sense, this is still how my chart's looking like. I've had previous receipts with CNC. But other than that, man, if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already seen that, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.